Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how to respond when a woman hugs you. Most guys treat a hug like it's nothing, just a quick moment, and then they move on. That's the mistake. A hug is rarely just a hug. In attraction, it's information. It's a test. Sometimes it's an invitation. The reason so many men miss these moments is simple. They don't slow down enough to notice what's really happening. They don't understand what she's communicating or how their response changes the dynamic. Women often use physical touch to read a man. His awareness, his calm, his confidence without saying a single word. When a man reacts wrong, even unintentionally, he can signal insecurity, disinterest, or confusion. And once that signal is sent, the moment is gone. A hug communicates far more than words ever will. How long it lasts, how close the bodies are, how relaxed or tense the energy feels. If you learn to read these details, you stop guessing. You start responding with intention. Let's break down the 4 main types of hugs and exactly how to handle each one. First is the friendly pat hug. This is quick. A second or two. Very little body contact, usually paired with a couple of pats on the back. This hug is warm but neutral. It usually means she sees you as safe, familiar, or friendly. Here's the key. This is not rejection. Too many men mentally lock themselves into the friend category after this. That's a mistake. Your response should be relaxed and confident. Don't overthink it. Don't try to force anything, just stay present and grounded. From here, attraction is built outside the hug through eye contact, playful conversation, shared moments. Confidence and consistency can slowly shift how she sees you. Second is the solid hug. This one lasts longer. There's intention behind it. Her arms wrap around you with more pressure. This shows comfort and trust. She feels good around you. It doesn't automatically mean attraction, but it does mean you're doing something right. When this happens, don't rush to pull away. Hold it just a beat longer than expected, then let go naturally. Watch her response. Does she smile? Does she stay close? Does the energy stay relaxed? If it does, keep building comfort. Women value emotional safety more than most men realize, and when you provide it without neediness, attraction grows on its own. Third is the lingering hug. This is where things start to shift. She doesn't let go right away. Her body relaxes into yours. There's more chest contact. Her hands stay on your back. This often signals emotional and physical interest. Pay attention to her breathing. If it slows down, she's comfortable. If she stays still, she's present. Your move here is simple. Don't be the first to pull away. Match her energy. A light hand on her lower back. A gentle squeeze. Nothing forced. Let the moment breathe. Women notice patience. They notice awareness. Ending this too quickly can signal uncertainty. Allowing it to unfold naturally communicates confidence. Fourth is the intimate embrace. This is the strongest signal. She leans in fully. Her head rests on your shoulder or neck. Her breathing is slow and deep. She may softly touch or stroke your back. This hug says she feels safe, connected, and likely attracted. Do not rush this moment. Stay calm. Stay grounded. If she doesn't pull away, she's comfortable being close to you. If she tightens the hug or lingers, she may want more. Watch the small cues. Head tilt. Closer body contact. Sustained eye contact when she pulls back. When you notice these signs, don't freeze. Confidence matters here. Simple actions deepen the connection. A steady gaze, a light touch as you separate. A calm presence. Avoid nervous energy. Avoid trying too hard. Women are extremely sensitive to how a man carries himself in silence. If you stay composed, she feels it. The next time a woman hugs you, pay attention. That moment may be saying more than words ever could. It could be curiosity, interest, or an opening. If you learn to read it and respond with quiet confidence, you stop missing opportunities. And everything changes. Before you go, let me ask you this. Did this video make you see hugs differently? If it did, tell me in the comments. I read them. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel Silent Power.